welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review, and today I am going to be reviewing a wig called FOLAMI in a number 1. Okay, it's by Freetress Equal. All right, in natural volume. Okay, this one has been around for a minute, but I never tried it out, so I decided, hey, let me try this unit out. Since it's in a nice natural texture, you know, because I really love the Yaki texture units a lot. So, here is this gorgeous unit. Absolutely loving it right off the bat. I can't wait to put it on. Okay. Alright, it has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also have a L parting closure right there. Okay. Here is a close-up look at the parting space there. Okay, the hair is very, very soft, not getting much shedding. It's not tangling on us. Okay, that is good. Not tangling on us. So, I am going to try this on. I will be right back. Oh my goodness. She is the bomb. Okay. This is so gorgeous, y'all. I gotta go in and get the other colors. Let me see. I'm trying to look for the, well, I don't know what happened to the stock card to see what other colors it came in. But honey, yes, this unit is so nice and it is so full. I am feeling this for real. Here is it to the side. All right, the back. Yes, I gotta go in and get some other colors in this beautiful unit. Oh my goodness, she is the bomb. Yeah, I'm not going to trim the lace, but I know she will be looking extra fire and lit once I do get the lace trim, because she is looking beautiful just like this. Okay. I am loving this wig, seriously. I love how much volume it has. And it's nice. Length is pretty long. It's pretty long. Okay, you like big, voluminous, long hair? This one is for you. If you like the Neeshas, you would absolutely love this one also. Okay. All right. Okay. And here is the parting right here. All right. That pretty much wraps it up for this review. I have absolutely no cons on this. I absolutely love it. I do. And I'm going in and I'm going to see what other colors I can get this gorgeous unit in. Okay. It's also heat safe, but I don't recommend curling it on high heat because it'll take away this natural, beautiful Yaki texture. All right. Okay. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this wig review. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All right. I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.